Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with SurveyMonkey Feedback Platform. Review my data collection experience. SurveyMonkey Feedback Platform offers a comprehensive suite of tools for collecting and analyzing feedback from various sources, targeting businesses, researchers, and individuals looking for robust data collection solutions. Key features include customizable surveys, various question types, data analysis tools, and integration options. Their website provides details on different pricing plans and features available. They emphasize ease of use, offering intuitive survey creation tools and reporting dashboards. SurveyMonkey highlights its advanced analytics capabilities compared to basic survey tools, providing deeper insights from collected data. They offer various plans, from free basic options to enterprise-level solutions, with transparent pricing displayed on their site. You can check out their website for details on availability and specific features for each plan. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using SurveyMonkey Feedback Platform. Setting up my first survey was incredibly straightforward. The drag-and-drop interface made designing the questionnaire a breeze. I was able to incorporate a variety of question types, from multiple choice to open-ended responses, and even add branching logic for a more personalized experience. Navigating the platform was intuitive. I found the dashboard easy to understand and use. The data analysis tools were particularly impressive. I could easily visualize the results in charts and graphs, filter responses, and export the data for further analysis. The platform performed reliably, with surveys loading quickly and data syncing seamlessly. I even had a quick question about exporting data in a specific format, and their support team responded within a few hours via email with a helpful solution. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, making it easy to manage multiple surveys simultaneously. The standout feature for me was definitely the real-time reporting, allowing me to track responses as they came in. One minor drawback was that the free plan has limitations on the number of responses you can collect per survey. It also took me a little while to get used to the more advanced logic and branching options, but the online resources and tutorials were quite helpful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with SurveyMonkey Feedback Platform. It's a powerful and user-friendly tool that makes data collection and analysis much easier. That's my overview of SurveyMonkey Feedback Platform. Review my data collection experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.